Hello, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you are taking good care of yourself and your papa and mama also. Good. So you're not going outside and you're washing your hands daily, eating healthy food and drinking lot of water, right? Great. So did you enjoy? Did you revise my rhymes which I have sent to you? Good. Now, today also I'll recite two more new rhymes with you. But before that, I'll revise two rhymes which we have done earlier. But before all of this, we'll do revision of our body parts. We do revision of our body parts once again. Okay? Okay. Now tell me, what is this? What is this? This is our head. This is our head. Speak after me. This is our head. And how many head we have? One head. How many head we have? One head. And what are these? These are my hair. See, I have a long hair. Your mama must be having a long hair now. See, I have a long hair. Okay. Now, what is this? This is forehead. What is this? Forehead. And your mama, she put bindi on this forehead. Yes. And bindis of which shape? Circle shape. Have you revised circle shape? Great. So the bindis of circle shape. What are these two? These are our eyebrows. And what are these? Our eyes. What are these? Our eyes. And we see with our eyes. Good. What is this? Nose. Now all of you put your finger on your nose. What is this? Nose. Good. What are these? These are lips. These are lips. And what are these? Mouth. And you know what is inside the mouth? Teeth. White teeth. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Early in the morning and then before going to bed. Okay? At night. 2 times you have to brush daily, in the morning and at night, so that your teeth be clean and there should be no cavities. Okay? And what is this? Tongue. You know, whatever we eat, like if we eat chocolate or if we eat dal, anything, pizza, the taste of that food we get to know by the taste buds which are in our mouth. And mama do like this now. What are these? These are cheeks. We have 2 cheeks. What is this? What is this? Chin. What is this? Chin. Okay. What is this? This is our neck. Mama, she wears chain or something string like on in her neck now. What is this? Neck. What are these two? These are shoulders. When you'll come to school, you'll hang your bag on your shoulders, है ना? When you'll come, you'll hang your bag on your shoulders now. And when mama goes to office, she hang her bag on her shoulder. Yes. And when papa goes to office, he hangs a laptop bag on his shoulder. On his shoulder. Great. Now what are these? What are these? These are 2 hands. And what do we do with our hands? We write with our hands. You, the little ones, do coloring with your hand, है ना? And you make different objects with clay, है ना? With your hands. And mama cook food with your hands. Great. And what is this? Wiggle your fingers. What is this? These are fingers. How many fingers we have? So let's revise once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one hand, how many fingers we have? 5. In other hand, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5, 5, 10. In both the hands we have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Great. And you know what is the shape of my watch? Yes. What is the shape of my watch? This is circle. This is circle. Good. So now we'll revise two rhymes, and then I'll recite you 2 more new rhymes. So let me start. Ready? You also have to speak along with me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, cheese, arms, hands, and legs, feet, toes, fingers, and this is me. So now, here we go. My head, my eyes, my nose, my mouth, this is me. This is me. My ears, my chin, my arm, my hand, this is me. This is me. My fingers, my leg, my foot, my toes, this is me. This is me. Great. So, how many fingers? My fingers, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many toes we have? We also have 10 toes. How many? 10 toes. Great. Now, we'll be doing one more rhyme. Okay? So, you want to do it again? We'll do one more rhyme. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Wiggle your fingers, blink your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, bling, bling, bling. Move your head side to side. Move your hands side to side. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, pick with me, come on, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Touch your ears, touch your nose, touch your mouth and chin below. Move your head all around. Move your head all around. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me, come on, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Move your shoulders up and down. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Move your shoulders up and down. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me, come on, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Move your feet back and forth. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me, come on, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Good. Clap for yourself. Great. So now we have revised 2 rhymes, and now I'll be doing one more new rhyme with me. First, ma'am will sing, and then you will sing with the tunes. But before that, I want videos of yours also. I'm telling you that you my little ones, you are watching me daily on my videos which I'm sending you. I also want to see you now. है ना? So now make a video and send to me. So now let's do one more rhyme. Are you ready? Let's go. Are you ready, my little ones? So let's do one more rhyme with ma'am. Okay. First, I'm going to tell you one thing. Put your right hand up. This is your right hand. And then this is your left hand. Right hand, left hand. This is your right leg, left leg. Right, left. So, we have this rhyme on our left hand, left leg, right leg. Great. So, 1, 2, 3, start. Hands on your waist. and you have to bend it like this. What are these? Knees. Yesterday we pat on our knees now. Okay, but now, today, you have to bend your knees like this. The way ma'am is doing. Up, down, up, down, up. And hand on your waist. What is this? This is your waist. What is this? Waist. Okay. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and shake it all about and do the boogie boogie and turn yourself around and then what is all about. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about and do the boogie boogie and turn yourself around and what is all about. Put your right leg in, put your right leg out, put your right leg in and shake it all about and do the boogie boogie and turn yourself around and that what is all about. Put your left leg in, put your left leg out, put your left leg in and shake it all about and do the boogie boogie and turn yourself around and that what is all about. Put your whole self in, put your whole self out, put your whole self in and shake your body. Do that boogie boogie and turn yourself around and that is what about. Great. Did you enjoy this rhyme? So let's see. Put your, which hand is this? Right hand. And which hand is this? Left hand. Which leg is this? Right leg. And which is this? Left leg. Great. So did you enjoy this rhyme? Great. Which are right hand? We write with our right hand. We write with our right hand. But yes, some of them they write with left. They write with left hand also. We eat with our right hand. Yes. This is right hand and this is left hand. So you enjoyed this rhyme now? So now you'll enjoy the same rhyme with the tune, with the music of this rhyme. Okay? There are my two friends, Bunty and Bubbly. They want to dance with you. They are after me that, ma'am, we also want to dance with your little ones. So they are dancing on the same rhyme which I have done right now, and you are also have to dance with them. Okay? Are you ready? So now dance with my two little friends, Bunty and Bubbly. Great. And you dance, then come back again. Great. Cool.
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and shake it all about and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
Welcome back, my little ones. So did you enjoy this rhyme with my two friends Bunty and Bubbly? Great. So what you have learned from this rhyme? Tell me. Yes, that we have one right hand, we have one left hand, we have one right leg, and we have one left leg. Great. What do we do with the right hand? We write with our right hand, we eat with our right hand, and many things we do with our right hand only. Great. So now there is one more rhyme, but before that I just want to tell you that are you making videos of yourself, reciting rhymes which I am sending to you? Do make it, because his ma'am is waiting for your videos. Some of them, yes, they are sending, but I am waiting for others also to send. Why? Because I want to see you all, right? I want to see you all. So let's do one more rhyme in my way, and then we'll do with the music. You enjoyed the earlier which I have sent you rhymes now? Good. So let's do one more rhyme, and then again we'll revise all the body parts. Great. So let's do one more rhyme with man first. Are you ready for one more rhyme? Great. So you have to do with action. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Here are my ears, here is my nose, here are my fingers, here are my toes, here are my eyes both open wide, here are my mouth with white teeth inside, here are my tongue that help me to speak, here are my hands that help me to play, here are my foot for walking today. Did you like the rhyme? Great. So now do once more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Here are my ears, here is my nose, here are my fingers, here are my toes, here are my eyes both open wide, here are my mouth with teeth inside, here are my tongue that helps me to speak, here are my hands that help me to play, here are my foot for walking today. Great. So from this rhyme we learned that we have 2 ears, we have 1 nose, 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 foot, 2 hands. Okay? 1 mouth and 1 tongue. Great. Did you enjoy it? Very good.
Here are my ears, here is my nose, here are my fingers, here are my toes, here are my eyes, both open wide, here is my mouth with white teeth inside, here is my tongue that helps me speak, here is my chin and here are my cheeks, here are my hands that help me play, here are my feet for walking today. Here are my ears, here is my nose, here are my fingers, here are my toes, here are my eyes, both open wide, here is my mouth with white teeth inside, here is my tongue that helps me speak, here is my chin and here are my cheeks, here are my hands that help me play, here are my feet for walking today.
Now that you know the rhyme, let's sing along.
Welcome back, my little ones. So have you enjoyed both the rhymes? Great. Now what you have to do, you have to recite all the rhymes with your mama and papa. Okay, and also do with actions the way ma'am did it. Okay, and also make small videos and send it to me. You know, ma'am is waiting for your videos. Great. Now, like some of them have sent me video of which I have given, you know, that you have to find two things that taste sweet. Great. So what is that taste sweets at your home? One is chocolate. You like chocolate? Great. And what do you like? Or you like cake. Cake is sweet. Chocolate is sweet. Sugar is also sweet, na? Biscuits, there are sweet biscuits also. You like it, na? Great. And mama also make kheer. Kheer is also sweet. Great. And custard also. So these are sweet things, which some of things which mama cook at home, and some of them which you are got it from the market. Great. So now you have to find out two things, which is let me think, what should I give you so that you can find it easily, hai na? What should you, let me think, what is this? I'm thinking with my brain, and the brain is a head, you know, you think with your brain that what you have to do next, what is the answer of this question. You always think with from your brain. Now let me think, what should I give you? Okay, I got to know what should I give you. Now you have to find out two things which are salty. Okay, some of them like salty things now. Great. Now find out two things which taste salty. And I'll be waiting for your videos. Great. So now what all you have to do, you have to wash your hands daily. Great. Then you have to recite all the rhymes on body parts. Then one more thing I'll give you. Great. I just remember, just stand in front of your mirror. Okay, you have a mirror at home now. Just stand in front of your mirror and then just touch your body parts. Okay, and send me a video. Touch your body parts so that you know that what are the body parts, like head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Touch it and send me that video so that I also get to know that how much you are revising at home. Great, cool. So what you just send a video to me, stay at home, play indoor games with your papa, and also help them by keeping your things yourself at their place. Don't spoil your room, and don't throw your toys and everything here and there. Just keep it at your place where they are kept. Keep it there only. Okay, help your mama and papa also. Great. So now stay at home and stay fit. Great. I'll come back with many more rhymes. So bye bye. Take care for now. Good bye bye. Take care.